The art of making fire is an essential survival skill, so to be prepared for a survival situation we can use the Victorinox Compact Fire Starter outdoor set which includes the fire and fire starter and the waterproof Helix tinder. Both are high quality tools and work very efficiently. Both are very cleverly placed, twisted inside the corkscrew of a Swiss Army knife, like this. The fire ant and the helix tinder have been created with the rationale that we can easily carry them with us anytime, and when the need arises we can start a fire. Combined with the tools of a Swiss Army knife, form a complete survival fire kit just in case. I believe the addition of these tools to a Swiss Army knife is a great upgrade, but it is not recommended to use this fire set on a daily basis. It is intended only for a real survival situation, because these tools are quite small and do not last long, and also because they are quite expensive. It will cost you a lot of money if you use the fire ant and the helix tinder every time you want to start a fire. So for this case, my friends, I'm thinking of trying to create a similar helix tinder for my Swiss Army knife using cheap materials from home. So my friends, I'm thinking of getting a piece of cotton and soak it in used melted wax to make it waterproof and to hold much more time the flame. And next, to giving it the shape it needs to fit inside of a Swiss Army knife corkscrew like the helix tinder. I don't know if I will make it, but it's worth a try. Let's start. First of all, I have to measure the right size. Use the mini screwdriver or the fire steel that you're gonna use. I will use the screwdriver as a guide to create the right shape of the tinder. I will clip on the screwdriver to stay in place as well. I think this piece is too large, so I need a smaller piece. Let's see this one. I have to make it solid. But not too thick. Let's see. I think it's too thick. Let's give one more try. It is closed to make it. Okay. I think it fits. I think the thickness it's okay. I have to make it a little bit shorter. Yep. So let's try to soak it in the melted wax. I realized that you need to make the edges pointy and thin. Place the cotton for a moment inside in the melted wax. When you soak the cotton in the melted wax, carefully touch it to see if it is not hot enough. Be careful not to burn your hands. Next, while it is still warm, place it on the corkscrew and with your hands follow the shape of the corkscrew so that the cotton takes its exact shape. Form the cotton with your hands until it takes the shape and the size of the corkscrew. Don't be afraid that the wax will stick to your hands or your knife. The wax can be removed very easily. When you have given the cotton the shape and the size required in every detail, let it cool down completely. Now it must have completely cooled down. So let's see if the process was successful. Appears to have memorized its shape. It looks solid and stable as it should be. Let's place it back. Yes, it works, I could say. As you can see, there is not much deviation from the official Helix Tinder. My first impressions are absolutely positive, so it remains to put it to the test to see if it works. always you have to unfold the tinder to expose the fabrics. I create some other homemade helix tinders. This one, it fits as well inside in the corkscrew in combination with the fire ant fire starter. So my friends, I think that the Poor's People homemade helix tinder, it could replace the original one. So if you don't want to spend a lot of money, you can create your own helix tinder, and you're gonna use in daily basis the cheap one, and you gonna save the expensive. I would definitely suggest using a shrink cable tube as a protective cover for the helix tinder, because after a period of use the wax coating and the helix tinder will wear away. So check the video in the description box to learn how to create this protective cover for your helix tinder. And last, if you want to replace and also the fire steel with a cheaper one, you can search in an online store for one. It will have the similar dimension, or get a bigger one and cut it to the right size. You can think some alternative solutions. For example, this cheap survival match has a fire steel in a similar size to the official fire ant. You can remove it and fit it on your Swiss Army knife just in case. So my friends, I hope to join today's video. Tell me your opinions about how it looks, the homemade Poor People helix tinder. Until the next video, stay safe. Thanks for your support. Thanks for watching.